For the next 7 nights, we're going to be aboard Harmony of the Seas, and we're going to be going out of our home port out of Galveston, Texas. We're going to be visiting Roatan, Honduras, Costa Maya, Mexico, and Cozumel, Mexico. At Roatan, we're going to be doing a little hike and a little beach break. Get out, those are bats in there. Ooh, did you see the fly? That's awesome. In Costa Maya, we're going to be staying on the ship and doing a massage. And in Cozumel, we're going to be doing something totally different. We're going to be watching Lucha Libre. So make sure you hit that like button and enjoy the rest of the series.
Hey guys, welcome aboard. Don't forget to check.
Hello, welcome aboard everyone.
So we are doing an embarkation lunch at Park Cafe instead of Windjammer. Have the salad bar and then the semi-famous roast beef sandwich. I can't pronounce the roll that it actually comes on. That's what they call it. The blank sandwich roll. Royal sandwich.
I got a salad and the sandwich as well. So sitting outside near Park Cafe and Jamie's. It's crowded out here. Very crowded.
Yeah, it's more crowded than what I was expecting. I was thinking that this would be more of a hidden gem on Embarkation Day.
Yeah. Yay, we found our bags. Where are you going? You gonna go follow them?
Well, we can take them in.
Oh yeah. Yes, we were extremely concerned.
Yeah, we had kind of an interesting encounter at the porter. There was nothing wrong with the porter, but it was just taking a while for our bags to be
Put
moved
on
onto
the
a
cart.
cart. And there were some guests that were, I don't know if interfering is the right word, but maybe distracting. And so we walked away and I took a picture of my bag on the cart and Michael's next to the cart just in case something happened. We had some kind of proof that we waited for a long time. And
Yeah, we were watching it on the Apple.
yeah, we have Apple AirTag.
AirTag.
So, it kept like jumping around where it was, but happy it's here.
Yeah, and we haven't even left yet, so
That's
this is good. Yay. There it is, secured. And these are actually new bags, so we're happy to use this for the first time. Night cruise, big luggage.
Yeah. Yeah, they're really tall. So they like come up to here. You don't even have to pull out the handle. You just push it along.
Oh, mine's, as usual, heavy, very heavy.
But yeah, like Michael said, this is our longest cruise together. So we'll see how it goes.
At the Vitality Spa, just booked our massage. We actually haven't had a massage on a cruise ship before, so as many cruises we've been on, this is the first one. Crazy, so excited. We're gonna do this while we're in Costa Maya. So hopefully it'll be nice. We don't plan to get off in Costa Maya, so this will be good. This will be good. All right, we went to guest services to get our WOW bands reprogrammed. And now we're at the dining room to make sure we have a table for two. So first thing to do when you get on the ship is make sure you do that.
Good. Thank you.
Good?
Yeah, table for two, and she's gonna see us at chef's table, I think.
Nice. Oh boy, we could smell it.
It like permeated throughout all the floors.
The casino. Yay! We're both prime on this cruise, so it's gonna be fun. Okay, so here on Harmony, look at that. There's only one bar here. So saw our video from Utopia of the Seas has basically two sections of this. But here on Harmony, it's just one. Claire's walking really fast towards something. What'd you find?
My brother and sister-in-law had a lot of luck on Red Hot Tamales and wanted to find out which machine they liked, which machine of the group that they liked.
Oh, here's
So
one.
there's one, and then there's another
There's another one
over
over here on the right. There's the other one. Okay, scoped out the casino. I think we have a plan. They don't have some of the games that we like, but still have a good plan.
I don't know what the plan is besides donating.
Pressing the button.
Yeah.
We're gonna be winners again.
I hope so.
We're gonna be winners.
Hoping to get a good offer.
Positive attitude about this.
Okay. I can have a positive attitude.
Yep. And on Harmony, we also have the smoke-free casino. Little tiny casino. But it's available. So, still has plenty of games to play. See, we got one roulette, blackjack, 2 blackjack tables. So the one on Utopia definitely had a lot more table games. I don't know, guys. This one's a little lame. We're gonna be playing in the big boys.
Well, we'll probably still come in here in hopes of escaping the crowds, but
Or the
these
smoke.
can get busy too. So. Yes, mainly the smoke, probably. Well,
I can't believe it. Hardly anyone's in that casino right now, and you can smell it from
it's in the
a mile
carpet.
away. Well, we're back in the spot that we sat back in November of 23 at the Schooner Bar in these exact same 2 seats.
For the first sailing of Harmony in Galveston.
Yes.
I just come over from Miami. We got the first sailing from
Yeah.
Galveston.
Yeah, that was actually only a 4-night cruise, and haven't done a 4-night cruise here at Galveston with Harmony.
Yeah.
It's all been 7, so we got lucky that one time.
Yeah.
But we're back. We are back. It's nice and breezy as we leave Galveston. What do you think?
It is slightly chilly. We were like burning up outside when we were in port. Or when we were docked, I guess. But it feels like it's below 70. That's kind of crazy.
It's significantly cooler.
Yeah, there's definitely a chill in the air.
Sea breeze.
It is. It is a perfect sea breeze.
Look out in the distance, all these tankers waiting to go through the little channel here in Galveston. There's a bunch of them. Dude, we got a sweet spot.
Yeah.
Look at this wall, man. It's cool. Huh. Table for 2.
A little bit more secluded.
Yeah.
It's nice.
But look, this is our spot here. So our deck 3, we just went straight to the right as we entered. So
Well, we went through like the main
yeah.
elevated part, maybe the atrium.
So cool. It's a good spot. Good spot. Almost as good as being by the window.
And it's his second best
What's up, guys? I got the Bon Voyage menu.
on our first night.
Just got here.
Not the welcome
I'm not
aboard
leaving
menu.
yet. That's a quick 7-night cruise.
Yeah, just got out of Galveston. Had to turn back around.
Golly. I was like, where's where I was gonna order?
Well, yeah, because he knew he wanted the fried chicken. He's like, "Where is it?" I was like, "It's right there."
It's like, no, it says turkey dinner. Oh well. At least I know what to order then
Yeah,
on the last
sneak
night.
peek
Surprise, surprise on the first night.
to no one's shock.
Player gets
Shrimp cocktail.
shrimp cocktail. And look, Caesar salad. Pretty sure that's what we did last time. All right, our dinner's here. And Claire got an Indian dish.
Chicken
With-
sog with
which-
rice.
We think that's how you pronounce it?
Pretty sure. Correct? Feel free to correct me.
Comment down below if
It's
that's wrong.
S-A-A-G.
And check this out. So in Utopia, I got chicken and rice. I got it again because it was so good. There it is. Nice. And finally, dessert.
Back to my old standbys, the dark chocolate custard.
Dark chocolate custard. And key lime pie. I actually really like this key lime pie. That's why I got it again. So it's pretty good. But we're going to try a few different key lime pies in a future cruise. So stay tuned. Had a rough start at the casino, guys. I'm already down. Claire didn't have a rough start, though. Jeez, not fair.
Hey, you had a good casino go last trip.
Yep. Harmony has never given me a good time, but it's all right. We'll figure it out. That's fancy. What is that?
I think it's called a desert pear margarita. You can only get it at the schooner because I think it's the syrup they use. Like the other bars don't have it.
Nice. Looks good. It's late, but we got a snack.
Yeah, I needed a little snack.
We got some hot dogs here. We
They
went
had a
to
gluten-free bun.
Sorrento's. It was crowded. Promenade Cafe was crowded. So, hot dog place
Came
on
to the doghouse.
Yeah. Oh yeah, doghouse out here in the boardwalk. See, there's a doghouse place right back there. So cool. No line when we walked up. Good. Well, the hot dog was good. It's what we needed. Oh, someone behind me. Claire left me hanging there. But the hot dog was good. Okay. That was rude.
Look before you record.
I didn't know there was someone behind me the whole time.
Well, she like they snuck in like in between us, and I was like,
Thanks. You could have at least told me.
tell you what.
Hey, there's someone behind you.
Didn't you see it in the viewfinder?
No.
Not the viewfinder, the...
Yeah. I didn't see anybody. Jeez. Anyways, someone walked up and it was very awkward. Well, that's it for Embarkation Day. It was a long day. But we didn't have to fly. We drove.
So easy.
Well, you were the passenger princess.
We're
I drove.
like less than 2 hours away from Galveston. So it is so easy.
I mean, it is nice to be.
The amount of time it takes us to drive to Galveston, it's pretty much the same amount of time to like go to any airport in Houston. So
Yeah. But it was good. Easy to get to. Well, easy to get home, hopefully. Haven't got there yet. Just got here.
yeah.
But Harmony of the Seas. It's exciting. 7-night cruise.
Yeah. We've got 2 full sea days ahead of us as we head to Roatan. So it'll be interesting. I was telling Michael it's gonna be today's Sunday. We won't see land again until Wednesday. So.
I was like, that's a long time from now.
What did we get ourselves into?
Yeah, we'd be home by then on our other cruises. So
I'm
7
looking
nights.
forward to it.
Yeah. It was our longest cruise.
Yeah. So hope you guys join us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.